Life in the mountains. It's yucky. Let's cook inside. So I've cooked some rice. This is a cup of rice. I had it on saute to get the moisture out so I didn't have to rinse it. And I added a spoon of better than bouillon and sprinkled on some Trader Joe's Green Goddess seasoning. And let's see what else we have to add. Greek chickpeas. Let's give it a try. But wait, there's more. Artichokes, yum. Let's see how it came out, shall we? That's pretty good. See if I can get a piece of artichoke. Maybe. Oh yeah. That's a winner. Yeah. With the chickpeas, I don't even need meat. And I'm a confirmed carnivore. But this is going to be a nice little supper, I think. So, it's a thumbs up. Try it. You might like it. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. And one of these days, we'll get back on the griddle. See you next time. Bye!